Hello my dear students, welcome back to your grammar class. So, what are we going to learn today? Very good. Our next topic that we are going to learn in today's video is articles. So, let's start our topic.
Articles. What are articles? The words a, an and the are called articles and they are used before nouns. And why do we use articles? They are used before nouns in order to determine or fix their meaning. I want to start this topic with some basics and we shall proceed further discussing the topic in detail. Children, as you know, there are 26 letters in English alphabets A to Z. Can you see the set of these 5 letters? A, E, I, O and U. What are they called? They are called vowels. And what about the rest of the letters? Do they also have a name? Yes, they are called consonants. You all must be wondering, since you all are grown up, why am I teaching you alphabet? It is because the usage of articles has a lot to do with alphabets. By this I mean that whenever we need to place an article before a noun, we need to be very careful about the sound produced by the first letter of the noun, whether it is producing a vowel sound or a consonant sound. I want to show you a short video that will help you to understand the articles better. Introducing article brothers. Meet the 3 article brothers a, an and the. All 3 brothers like to point out nouns. The twin articles a and an like to point out singular nouns. The elder brother, the, likes to point out both singular and plural nouns. A and an are usually seen with one person, one place, one animal and one thing. Though they are twins, both have different hobbies. The article a is seen with nouns that begin with consonants. Yes, consonants. For example, a bus, a cow, a girl, a zoo. The article an likes to listen to nouns beginning with vowel sounds. For example, an umbrella, an octopus, an ink bottle, an elephant. Come, let's look some sentences where all 3 article brothers appear together. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. Thus, we can say that article a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Article the is used when we talk about the introduced noun for the second time. Students, these 3 articles are classified under 2 categories, definite and indefinite. Let's talk about the indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. Why? Because they do not point out at any particular or definite person or thing, whereas the is called the definite article. It is used when we speak of some particular or definite person. We need to note that whenever a person or thing is introduced for the first time, we generally use the definite articles a and an. But when the same person or thing is talked about the next time, we use the definite article the. Let's consider this example. Once upon a time, a prince was going through a jungle, riding an elephant. He saw a tiger behind the bushes. The prince at once decided to shoot the tiger. As you can see in this example, the nouns which are introduced for the first time and are starting with a consonant like prince, jungle, tiger, we have used a before them and we have used an before elephant because it is beginning with vowel sound. And wherever the same noun is used for the second time, like prince and tiger, we have used the article the before them. Although we know that article a is used before a noun starting with a consonant like a waiter, a leader, there are certain exceptions that we need to note. Number 1, article A is used before the words starting with O but sounding as W. For example, a 1 rupee note. We also use A before words that start with letter U, but if they make YOU, U sound, for example, a utopia, a unibrowed unicorn, a unique shirt, a united team. Let's discuss the uses of an. An is used when a noun begins with a vowel sound. For example, an elephant, an umbrella. But an is also used before the words which although begin with a consonant but they produce a vowel sound. For example, an MP, an FIR, an X-ray. Here, MP, FIR, X-ray are beginning with a sound. Use an before words beginning with H, but the H remains silent. For example, an hour, an honor, an honest man. Let's discuss the uses of article the. As I mentioned earlier also, the is used when we talk about a noun for the second time. For example, he wore a nice shirt. The shirt was gifted by his father. The is also used when we are indicating towards a particular noun. For example, the girl who stood first was awarded. The is used before the name of rivers, mountain ranges, seas, oceans, ships, hills, groups of islands. Example, the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic, etc. The is also used before the names of the countries which are in plural. By this, I mean the countries which are formed by the Union of States. Example, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, the Netherlands. Here, I am reminded of a scene from a movie English Winglish starring Devi. I am sure you all must have seen this movie. When she joined English language classes, she asked the same question from the trainer. If America is called the United States of America, then why not the India? So students, it's India, not the India. I hope the reason is clear to you now. Moving ahead with the uses of the is also used with the names of religious books. Example, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Bible, the Vedas. The is also used with the names of banks, hotels, museums and certain buildings. For example, the Punjab National Bank, the Ashoka Hotel, the Ministry of Defence, the Red Fort, the South Block. The is also used before the names of newspapers and magazines. For example, the Indian Express, the Hindustan Times, etc. The is used with superlative degrees of adjectives and before ordinal adjectives. For example, the best thing, the bravest boy, the first president, the third eye. We use the when we refer to a whole group or class. For example, the rich. The rich people all together. The poor means the poor people all together. That is also used with the races and communities. Example, the Jews, the Sikhs, the Hindus, the English. So students, these were the uses of articles a, an and the. Students, there are certain cases where we do not use any article at all. These cases are first, when we talk about things in general. For example, milk is good for you. When we talk about sports and games, for example, let's go and play basketball. Before, the names of countries, as I mentioned before. For example, Japan, France, Italy, etc. And the exceptions are the United Kingdoms, the United States of America. We do not use any article before the name of a language. For example, we are learning English. Before the names of meals, they invited some friends to dinner. And we do not use any article before a noun when it is followed by a number. For example, the laboratory is in room 6 on the 3rd floor.
I hope this topic of articles is clear to you now. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, do your exercise carefully. Take care. Bye-bye.